guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I'm Glaze, and you guys, in this video I'm going to do a summer inspired nail design. These are long nails, these are vibrant nails, these are popping nails, you guys. But before you go ahead and watch this video, go on my social media accounts. I'll put them somewhere here in the screen so you can go and show me some love, and then let's come and let's dive right into it. Okay guys, so the first thing that I'm going to use is our nail prep and our primer. I did too much the last few videos using also my super bond, so I'm just going to use my nail prep and my primer. That's just good to go to don't get any lifting. And I've already cut the old acrylic off and applied a thin layer of clear acrylic, and now I'm going to apply our pink pearl on all the nails, just one color, because we're going to do a pretty design with it, with some beautiful vibrant pigments for the summer. So yeah, you guys, and this time I came with good news. Yes. Yes, I came with good news. This time I can finally say that our web shop is online, you guys. I will put everything in the description box below so you guys can go and check it out. Get our summer collection, get our primer, our sandy juices, you know. I got you. So yeah, you guys, finally, thank you so much for your patience and waiting. It was a big road for me. It was a lot. In the other video I will make a video on how I'm going to explain you guys why it took me so long for launching, but now we are with the good news. So we are finally online, you guys. So go and check it out, and also go and enjoy this satisfying application. Okay guys, so this is how the nails look after application, and now I'm going in with my medium grit bit and I'm going to shape the nails and also smooth the nails on the surface. And as you can see, I'm just using it on the sides also to make them straight, and also on top to make the nails even. So hey, if you're still here watching, thank you so much for being here, and watching my video. Don't forget to go and subscribe if you're still watching but not subscribed yet. And yeah, thank you so much. And by the way, I'm so sorry for the audio in the intro. I'm so sorry, I didn't notice it while editing. So yeah, you guys, and I'm so busy, that's why I didn't retake the video. But yeah, I'm here with a new video for you guys. I really hope you are going to like this nail design. Okay, so next I'm using my triangle bit to get into the cuticle areas, and when I'm done doing this step, I'm going in with my hand file to perfect the shape. So next I'm using our Sunny juice. This is basically just 70% alcohol with some fruity flavor, not flavor because you can't drink it, but with a fruity twist with it. And I'm going to just use a cute little manicure brush to get all the excess dust off. And these Sunny juices smell so good. Oh my god, love it, you guys. So go grab yours, and if you want you can also grab the whole collection. So next I'm using some white gel polish. This is not our painting gel, but this is just some white gel polish because you want the white gel polish to have a sticky residue after curing, and the painting gels don't have a sticky residue. So that's why I used the white painting gel. So go ahead and apply your white painting gel where you think just draw your design with your white painting gel where you want your pigments to come. And when you're done doing your design, go ahead and cure it under your lamp for like 60 seconds. And then I will explain you guys the next step. Okay, so I've cured the white painting gel under my lamp, and these are the pigments that I'm going to use. These pigments I got on Curacao when I was on vacation, so I don't have a link for you guys. But this is just a raw pigment, so without any clear acrylic mixed with the pigments. And I'm just using them on the sticky layer of the white gel polish after curing it. And I'm just making this ombre with a small brush, and I'm getting over it to get the ombre effect. So yes, that's what I'm going to do with these colors. Just play around with it, do what you think will work best for you and the colors that you would like. And when I'm done doing this step, I'm going to just dust the extra pigment off and also use a little brush to clean the edges up with some acetone. Don't get the acetone over the design, because otherwise you will not get the pigment back on, because it's not sticky anymore. So you have to have that sticky layer to get the pigments on. So yeah, make sure you be careful when you're going to clean the edges with some acetone. So you guys, when I'm done doing that and also done cleaning the edges up, I'm going in with my white painting gel that's also available on our website right now. And I'm just going to outline this design to make it more, popping, to make the contrast with the colors and the white so you can see it better. And when I'm done doing this, I'm going in under my lamp and cure it for 60 seconds. So when the white painting gel is cured, I'm going in with my glossy top coat. You can also go ahead and grab this one on our website, and I'm going to top off all the nails and then also going to cure it for 60 seconds under my lamp. And this is the final result, you guys. I really hope you like it. I really hope you're going to recreate it. If you recreate it, let me know and tag me on Instagram. And yeah, I really hope you have liked it. Guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you have liked it. I really hope you have enjoyed it. I really hope that you have learned something. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you have liked this video. Don't forget to share this video and also subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, because I think it's a shame that you're not subscribed yet. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.